What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Windows 2000. I'm just going to wait for it to start up. Yeah, usually I record after it starts up, but this time I decided to do it before. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about Windows 2000. So, 2000 was based on the NT kernel, of course, and it released in either late 1999 or early 2000. So, yes, I am running Windows 2000 Service Pack 4, so this is the latest major update. Um, so, after NT 4.0, Microsoft decided to name their next Windows operating system based off the NT kernel Windows 2000. In beta, it was originally called NT 5.0, but they changed it to 2000. So Microsoft kept going at it, and for the two different user bases, they had two different operating systems basically for each of them. I mean, it was technically still the same operating system, but different kernels. Yeah, let's say different kernels. So the 9X kernel was for the consumer base, and the NT kernel was for the pros and the businesses. So Windows 2000 was for the businesses and professional users, and what released later, which was Windows ME, was based on the 9X kernel, but failed. And we're going to talk about that in our next video. But for now, we're talking about Windows 2000, which came before Millennium Edition. So, as you'll see, Windows 2000 brought a lot of features introduced in Windows 98 to the NT kernel. For example, one of the basic examples was Windows Update, um, where Windows introduced this online extension. Basically, you would need to connect to the internet and it would update automatically instead of you needed to manually. So let's go through. So network places, I'm not sure if it's connected to a network though. We'll check. No, I don't think so. Yeah, I didn't. But yeah, we'll just look through the other stuff, I guess. So we have set program. So this is the add or removes programs. So we can change the default web browser, email program, media player, messaging program, and the virtual machine for Java. Yeah, oh yeah, we can add Windows components to 2000. Networking services, script debugger. That's like extra stuff. We don't really need that stuff for now. We can add a program from CD-ROM or floppy disk, or add them from Microsoft, and change or remove programs. So yeah, it's basically what you have in modern Windows 2 now, the add or remove programs. Uh, let's look through some of the accessories. So we have accessibility. They introduced magnifier, as you can see right here, is for users with slight visual impairments. So yeah, so it just magnifies whatever the cursor is on. We have accessibility wizard, magnifier, narrator, on-screen keyboard. I kind of want to see what that looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that Windows logo right there. I want to see one more thing in accessibility. Let's see what is it, narrator?
Foreground window. OK, do not show this message again. Check. Foreground window. Help, push button, to press, use, foreground window.
That's the Sam voice that Microsoft had in the early 90s, I think, or the late 90s. Communications have hyperterminal, internet connection wizard, net meeting, phone dialer, so we all the networking stuff. Entertainment, the usual Windows Media Player, Sound Recorder, CD Player, Volume Control. Yeah, there it is. I don't have an MP3 to play on here. So, let's see. Oh yeah, Active Desktop. I think this was in '98 too, was it? Um, which allowed you to show website content on your desktop. Just open the. We're not connected to the internet. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Nothing at startup, of course. Internet Explorer, Outlook Express. Still wants us to connect to the internet. We can't even explore it without connecting. It's kind of annoying. Let's go through the games. Of course, these four classic Minesweeper and Pinball. So Minesweeper first. Okay, whatever. Let's do Pinball. That's the game I enjoy more. Yep, let's see. This was in '98. NT4, I think, too. Okay. I like how Microsoft included before, I guess when you were bored at your work or something, you just play the built-in pinball game. Modern versions of Windows come with it anymore, like Windows 11, and I think you have to like download it from the Microsoft Store. Anyways, yeah, so that's pinball. What else do we have in accessories? System tools. And they have backup options, so you can back up all your files and everything. Oh wait, where'd it go? Character map, disk cleanup, defragmenter, getting started, schedule task, and system information. Open that up. Let's see. Yeah, I just want to see if some of the commands that I know work. Here, yep, that is system information. I was just verifying that. Let's try it. It's registry editor. Yep, it comes up, so you can modify the keys and everything. Uh, let's look at what else. Getting started. This is the thing that comes up at startup. Yeah, you can uncheck that if you want. It tells you register Windows 2000, discover, connect to the internet. I have to insert the 2000 CD for some reason. Uh, it was like a tour, I guess. So let me actually do that. I'm gonna insert this and let's see if it comes up. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's a little flickery. I don't know why.
No matter where you are working, your computer will be easier to use and easier to manage because Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional is more compatible and more powerful than any workstation you've used before. It's just easier now to get things done.
Well, that doesn't apply today. Let's see, easier to use.
Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional makes it
So yeah, it's basically just a tour, I guess. It's just gonna tell you like all the features and how it's better than older versions of Windows and TFS. Yeah. So we'll exit out of that. Install add-on, browse the CD. Oh, that's all that stuff. Oh yeah. We don't need that now though, so we're just gonna I'm gonna take out the disk now. Virtual disk. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Address book, calculator. Of course, we have to always divide 0 by 0. The result of the function is undefined. Imaging? What's imaging? I think it's like the well, like paint or something. Well, what is this supposed to be? Maybe he's supposed to like edit pictures, probably. Yeah, I'm guessing what that is. That's what that is. You can't really. None of all the features are grayed out. That's probably why you need to add an image first or something. Notepad, paint. Open notepad. Nope, not gonna save that. We already know how paint works, so what is synchronize? Let's see. Items to synchronize. To ensure that you have the most current data when working offline, you can have Windows synchronize the data on your computer and the data on your network so that both are up to date. Okay, so it's like offline web pages, my current homepage. That's cool, I guess. Windows Explorer, pad. Let's look at sample. What's sample? Oh yeah, that's that. That's an image, I guess, like a sample image. It comes with or something. Someone's doing some track and field. Um, so you have control panel. Let's open the control panel. Maybe there's more options and some. Yes, we have all that. Automatic updates. Users and password. Yeah, everything there. Help is just gonna be like a bunch of topics. Here, introducing Windows 2000 Professional. Files and folder. Yeah, and everything like tells you how to use it basically. Look kind of like the tour, more for like help talks. Probably like troubleshooting. Help topics. I've said that like 5 times. Okay, anyways, oh yeah, right, we can't check out Outlook Express anyways because it's not gonna work. Or any of the internet related stuff because it won't even let us access it without having an internet connection. I think in like Windows 98 let you. But here it tells you, it keeps telling you to go through the wizard first. It's probably to be more user friendly and not have users scratching their head, wondering why it's not working. Uh, and yeah, I think that wraps it up for today's video. That's basically it. Oh yeah, also I forgot to talk about one more thing. Windows 98 I think was the first Windows to introduce ACPI shutdown. What that means is when you're shutting down your computer from the operating system itself, it sends a signal to the computer itself. The operating system sends a signal to the computer itself to shut down the computer. Usually in old operating systems, you usually had to go down here and then you had to click shutdown and then it would say it is now safe to turn off your computer after saving everything. And then you would have to manually press the button on the computer. Newer operating systems now you don't have to do that. You just go to shutdown right here and then you click shutdown and it shuts the computer down, the operating system and the computer. Unlike non-ACPI shutdown, which only shuts off the operating system, you have to shut the computer off manually yourself. And yeah, that's basically it. See you in the next video. And if you like this video, subscribe.